Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of Ahhhsoneo. Welcome back. So I have a quick video today. I'm going to be doing my Chanel SLG and small jewelry collection. And all in all, it's a very small collection, but I was playing with some of my items earlier and I noticed I hadn't shared any of this stuff. Well, I shared some of it a long time ago, but I wanted to share again. So if you're interested in seeing what few pieces I have in my collection, then stick around. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of Ahhhsoneo. I have, oops, things are falling. I have a very small collection here that I wanted to share with you guys, but before I jump into the video, I do want to say hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new here, well, welcome. Take a seat, grab some popcorn, sit down, watch, hit the subscribe button, hit a like button, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. I'm sure you guys know the drill. So again, my name is Neo, and this is my channel here where I love to share luxury goods, whatever few little pieces that I have. And today I wanted to go through my little Chanel small leather goods and jewelry, since I don't have much of either. So I will start off by chit-chatting today about the first item I ever got from Chanel, which, and I think I have close-up pictures, so I will insert, but I got these pearl earrings. I got these pearl earrings about 14-15 years ago. These were like quite a find and quite a steal for me. If I remember correctly, they were probably less than $200. And I used to have a Neiman Marcus Last Call, which unfortunately shut down a few months ago. But, excuse me, but my Neiman Marcus Last Call like 10-12 years ago used to have everything. I mean, I bought my very first Chanel purse there for less than $600. It wasn't a classic, you know, but still. And I found these earrings there once, and I wasn't even shopping that day. They were just on the little jewelry display case, and I saw them and I was like, I guess I'm shopping now. So I love them. They're like a very dark, besides having pearls and a little bit of diamante, they're like a very dark bronze color, and I will insert in a close-up picture. And I'm very surprised because I've never lost a pearl off of these earrings, and I wear these a lot. I probably wear these at least once a month. So okay, so next piece that I bought after that comes in a bigger box like this, and it was made in Spain, and I have the code number and all of that here. Unfortunately, it did not come in a dust bag, but it is the Chanel yen wallet in caviar, and this particular color I believe was called Rouge. Hold on a second. This says 12A, so 2012 maybe. I was very lucky. I was traveling for work and I was in Portland and had walked into Nordstrom, I guess, which had a Chanel in it. And I was just standing there minding my own business when when somebody mentioned that it had a, you know, that it had a Chanel in it. No, sorry, I was standing there minding my own business when someone mentioned that Portland did not have sales tax, and I thought, wait, what? Say that again. So I did buy this back. It was $800, and you know, that's quite a savings to where I live, where at that time I think the sales tax was about 9 or 10%. So you know, it seemed like a good reason to get one. I'd always wanted one, so I went ahead and splurged. But I was traveling for work, so I didn't have $800 cash on me, and what I did is I put it on my credit card. And I'm literally standing in the store when it got rejected. My purchase was rejected, and I'm standing there looking at her like, run it again, because I was determined to walk out with this purse. And my bank called, and they were like, someone's trying to buy something really expensive in Portland. I was like, it's me, I'm in Portland. And they were like, no, well, you know, you need to notify us when you're traveling. And they had me confirm the last 3 purchases I had made on that card, which I was able to do because, you know, it was me. And she did lecture me, but I was really happy that, you know, and I was really happy that they called. I said to them, I would have been pissed if they'd let somebody else make an $800 purchase. So I was happy that they called and they verified it was me, and I was able to get this. But it was just such a funny moment because I was literally like, yeah, no, that's me. Let it go through. So that's the story with that. The next purchase that I got are these earrings that I'm wearing. I don't know if you guys can see them. And I will zoom in on them. I'll put in a close-up shot. These are the crystal CCs, the large crystal CCs, and they have the blue gradient. These are one of those things where I can genuinely say Instagram made me buy them. No doubt. Strolling through my feed, I was still new to Instagram, was still kind of getting used to being bombarded by like all these beautiful luxury items that people post all day, every day. And I saw these earrings and I was just like, I think I need those in my life. So I was very happy. I was able to call around to a bunch of places and I was able to get the exact pair that I wanted. There was a red version and there was a blue version, and I was going between the two. I would have been happy with either, but I wear blue more than I wear red, so I was super excited to be able to pick those out. Okay, so my next purchase, which came in this box, and I've kept this box just like this because I thought it was so pretty. I didn't want to ruin it. So yeah, I've kept the box like that. But the item itself, I wore it out of the store that day. It was my birthday present to myself last year, because that was a big number. I needed Chanel to get me through that number. But it is my Chanel brooch that everybody always comments on, that is so beautiful. And I got this with my girlfriends when I was in Las Vegas last year. And that's another kind of funny story, because one of my friends was like, oh my god, people still wear brooches? And she said it in that like old lady way, like only old ladies still wear brooches type of thing. And I was like, yeah, this old lady does, damn it. I'm buying it, I love it, I don't care. I don't think she's on Instagram, or she's not following the same people I'm following, because I feel like everybody has one of these, or something similar. I love this, I wear it all the time. I always have it on my jackets or my shirts, and I think I've really gotten a good cost per wear for this. I mean, it's pricey, but I've used it so much that it's definitely been worth every penny. So yep, that's my Chanel brooch. Bought that one last year for my birthday. And then my last piece, this one I happened to pick up on a whim. I'm determined to buy a gray purse this year. I haven't decided which one just yet. I've been on my wish list, which I'll link down below. I had either the Saint Laurent Matelay's bag, I forget what it's called. I want it in the gray leather, but I would be tempted to get it in black. But I'm determined to get a gray bag this year. And my SA at Saks, who is no longer at Saks, kept sending me pictures of the gray caviar boy bag. Now, boy bag is my dream bag. I want one. I will get one. I just don't feel like I'm at the point where spending that kind of money on a purse is for me. I know I'll get there, but right now, no. But he kept teasing me with this damn bag. And then one day, he sent me a picture of this. And I'm not gonna lie, because I don't know which bag, but I know that I'm going to get a gray bag this year. I felt it was extremely appropriate for me to get a gray card case to go in my future bag. See, that's me putting that bag in my universe. I wish this had come in silver hardware, but I do like the juxtaposition of the gold against the silver, the gray. And yes, I have used this. I've just yet to take the what is this? The plastic off the CCs. So yeah, I'm actually gonna put my stuff in it and use it today. So yeah, that is it. It's not a huge collection, but you know, a girl's gotta start somewhere. I picked this little baby up very recently in Vegas. It is the double-sided mirror. I've been wanting this one for a while. I've been wanting this one for a while. Well, you know, I can't exactly do that, but it's like the double-sided mirror where one side is magnified. And why is it not closing? See, now this is why I didn't want to get this stupid thing. I have Chanel compacts that always to me seem like they break, and I said it to the lady when I was trying to buy this, like, I'm worried about it breaking, and she was like, no, don't worry about it. And now I can't get it to close. Great. Really, Chanel, really? I literally just took this out of the box to take pictures. I have not even used it. Ha ha! Okay, it closed. Oh my god. I actually like that it's stiff. I think, right? Maybe. Too much. Yeah, so that's my newest little piece. It's not an SLG or anything, but I am looking forward to putting that in my purse along with my new card case. So, great. Thanks guys. Just a little something. Just wanted a little something to share. I'd love to see what your collections look like. I love watching these kind of videos, unboxes, and collection videos are my favorites. I don't travel much. I don't do a lot of stuff, but I do like to shop. Maybe if I stop shopping, I could do that other stuff, huh? But anyway, so thanks guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing and commenting and all that good stuff. You guys are fabulous. Thank you.